Okay, I made this video how to create advanced scientific calculator using Visual Basic 6.0 part 1. Then after the video, Soft now make a comment. In his comment he said, please check this calculation 1/15. If answer comes 0.00066666, same as mobile calculator or actual calculator, then your calculator is good. But if answer comes as 6.66666, then explain how it is possible that mini calculator not working properly. Please check and reply must. So look at this is it. This is the video that I made. He now made this comment that I should make an explanation, which I will do just now. So this is a video, you can go and watch it, how to create advanced scientific calculator using Visual Basic 6.0. This is part 1. So after making this video, he now made this comment that I should use it to check, but I lost my files to virus, and that was a delay in making this video to create another calculator. To explain this is comment, to reply him this comment. So now if you, let me see, for instance, if you say 1 divided by 15, it will give you this. So in Visual Basic program, when you calculate something that the decimal point more than, let's say, 15, 16, what will happen is that the thing will represent the calculation in this in a computer format. This is a computer format. It will not represent it in that the actual calculator or this, but this value got in here. This value this calculator got here is still the same thing with that one from the actual calculator. Let me explain. This value here is the same thing as 6.666 blah 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 67 times 10 raised to power minus 2, and this is the same thing as 0.0666 blah 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 7. The same thing. There is no difference with this. But this is the computer format, and this is for the actual calculator. This is the way it appears. Now if you want me to make it, this way, you want me to make it to appear this way, the way you want it, what I'll do to do that happen is, I'll come here. So okay, no, the thing is still in. Let me stop it first before I come in. So I'll come in here and we'll just type if this text 1 dot text is equal to format then the expression a divided by b, comma, if this is equal to this, if this is equal to this, the result you got here is equal to this format, is equal to 0 if it's equal to this format, which is what we got there, which is what we got here, which is what we got here, if it's equal to this format, so then let me copy this, copy, paste it here, equal to, will now be equal to format expression A over B, comma, will be equal to then end if command. Now let me save it. Let me now come to this. If you now say 1 divided by 15, you get that thing you wanted us to get. You get that same value you want us to get. Now if you say, let me remove this, if you say 1 divided by 20, it will be normal, because it's not up to that. It does not come to that format. So now if you also say 1 divided by 21, see, it will give you this format. This solves this. So if you like my video, you can subscribe and also share this video to others so that they can be able to get this information. If someone is having problem with this, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.